Google's bold new AirDrop for Android trick just backfired, and Pixel 10 users are furious. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. When Google shocked everyone by getting AirDrop-style sharing working on the Pixel 10 without Apple's help, fans thought it was a tech miracle. But now that miracle is causing chaos. Users are reporting the moment they open the new Quick Share menu, their Wi-Fi instantly shuts off like someone yanked the plug out of the phone. According to reports rounded up by Punica Web, the bug is wreaking havoc. Devices can't see any Wi-Fi networks at all once Quick Share is opened. Reddit threads and Google's own help forums are piling up with complaints, and Google is silent with no fix, no statement, not even a "we're looking into it." The official bug report is still untouched. Right now, users are stuck with two clumsy workarounds. You can uninstall the Quick Share extension updates through settings, basically ripping out the feature entirely. Or you can do the Wi-Fi thing. Turn Wi-Fi off before sharing, turn it back on afterwards, and hope for the best. It's messy, but it works. The likely culprit is Google's behind-the-scenes engineering magic that made AirDrop compatibility possible in the first place. It may have pushed Android's networking systems a little too far, especially on devices not built with cross-platform sharing in mind. Of course, Apple hasn't commented yet, but you can bet it's watching. The company probably won't block the feature, especially if Google rolls it out to more devices. But it's certainly not cheering this disaster on. For now, Pixel 10 owners are stuck choosing between glitchy Wi-Fi or ditching Quick Share entirely, which is hardly the AirDrop revolution Google promised. For more updates, tips, and tricks, and gaming news, like this video, comment, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.